Unveiling the Meaning, to Wilt, explored. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special topic in store for all our English language enthusiasts. We will be diving deep into the phrase, to wilt, uncovering its meanings and how to use it in different contexts. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your English skills, you're in the right place. To wilt is a verb that generally refers to a plant starting to droop, sag, or become limp due to lack of water or being in a harsh environment. However, it's not just limited to plants. It can also describe people and things in certain contexts. Understanding the basic use of this phrase is crucial as it sets the foundation for more complex applications. 2.1 Plants. The most common use of to wilt is to describe plants. For example, the flowers started to wilt in the intense heat of the summer. This shows that the flowers are not in their best condition and need attention. 2.2 People. When referring to people, to wilt can depict exhaustion, loss of energy, or a decline in enthusiasm. For instance, after running the marathon, he began to wilt, needing immediate rest and hydration. 2.3 Situations and objects. In certain contexts, to wilt can be used metaphorically to describe situations or objects. For example, the party began to wilt after the main act cancelled, indicating that the party lost its liveliness. Now that we understand the different contexts in which to wilt can be used, let's look at how to incorporate it into sentences. The plants will wilt if you don't water them regularly. She began to wilt after hours of intense study. His confidence wilted under the pressure of the interview. Understanding the context is key to using to wilt correctly. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, to wilt. We hope this video has shed light on how to use this phrase effectively in different contexts. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using to wilt in your sentences today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, happy learning!